Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Check. Today, I'll be unboxing a Vtech dual handset cordless phone system with caller ID and call waiting. And this one just happens to be blue. Also, this model comes in red. However, I like the blue a bit more, so I picked up this one. Looking at the front here, we've got the Vtech two-handset cordless phone system, blue, as you can see, nice blue color. I really did like it. The red was, I don't know, a bit bright for me. This metallic blue is nice. It's got full duplex handset speakerphone, which we'll get into when we look at the back. Table and wall mountable, and a quiet mode. So that's great for when you don't want to hear it ring. Looking at the side here, Vtech lists a whole bunch of bullet points, just sell points about this product, and just to see if this is something you're looking for. I'm not going to read them all out, but you can pause the video and read them yourself if you really want to. They also have it down at the bottom in French. If, you're French, and that's your section. Alright, looking at the back, as I had already spoken about, you get the full duplex handset speakerphone, which is a speakerphone that can keep up with your calls. Increase participation by allowing both ends to speak and be heard at the same time for conversations that are more true to life. Instead of, if you ever noticed on a cordless phone, sometimes when one person speaks you kind of get muted, or when you speak you can't hear the other person. So that eliminates this. You got the caller ID and call waiting with the 30 call caller ID storage. Backlit keypad and display. I'm looking kind of like a yellowish greenish backlight. Alright, so that's about it for the back. Looking at the last side here, just some more little bullet points about it. You got eco mode, power conserving technology. Nice big gash. I wonder if that's just special for me. Call blocking. Again, you can input and save up to 20 names and numbers in the call block directory to stop unwanted calls from ringing through. Not that they just won't call you from a different number. And then at the top here, you just got image of the product, two handset cordless phone systems, same points as you saw on the front here. So that's about it. Let's open it up and check it out. So it looks like to open this box, you just have to cut this piece of tape right here, open the flap, and it should be good to go. So let's get the scissors in here, see if we can't get this sticker open, cut up a little bit. Nope. It's a tough one. Here we go. There we go. Oh, we're ripping the box, but that's okay. We got it going. There we go. We just cut the whole thing off. Alright. Did that to release the flap. Alright, so you got some information on these. Thank you for purchasing this product. Need help with installation or feature operation, follow these steps. Package contains, and all the same information on the other side in French. Alright, opening the box. Alright, greeted with some manuals at the back here. We'll just take those out first. You got your abridged user's manual, Canada version, okay. Sure. Guess the other one's in French. And we have some cardboard here. Let's just take out. Start with this. What would this be? This would probably be the mount. Put it on the wall. Oh, there's some batteries for the two handsets and the back plates for the phones. Here's an included phone wire. That'll be good. So that'll go from the base to my new modem. And that's the power adapter for one of them, I'm assuming. It's not too bad. Pretty light, pretty thin cable, so hopefully it's quality. Oh, there we go. This one's actually attached to the base. So we'll just get this plastic off here. Take a look. Oh, so it can be removed. Just another barrel adapter. That's a nice blue color. Look at that. But we'll go over this more once we get everything out of the box. Looking on this side here, looks to be the actual handsets. Pretty nice. Go over that in a minute. One more. They don't feel very cheap. I did see some people say that it doesn't feel quality, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break in my hands. So fairly happy with this, especially for the price I got. The 40% off for Prime members. Alright, one more thing here. Oh, I guess this is everything coming out. There we go. Get rid of this cardboard, nothing else left in it. And I think we have the last little base here. Alright. I really like that blue color. So there we go. Looking at the bottom here, you have the input for your phone wire and your barrel plug that goes into the wall. It says Vtech on the back there. You have some spots for where you would probably mount this plate, so it's like, I don't really want to act like I know what I'm doing here, but that seems to be maybe how it would go. You see that? I don't know. Maybe up like that. Screw that to the wall, and then just put that up. Okay, that's nice, but I'm just going to have it sitting on a desk, so that's fine. And you would just have the phone sit in it like that. Alright. It's pretty nice. And you have the second base here with the plug. And you'll put that right there, so it's both of them together. There you have the second plug, the included phone wire. Let's get these out. The batteries and the back plates, which should be fairly straightforward to install. If you can tell, there's an angled connector angled on one side, straight on the other. If you can see the hole, it's angled on one side with some notches too. If you notice the notches, you just line the notches up in the angled side. You just put it right in there. Should click in. It's a little tight. Oh, there we go. I guess it's in. Thought it would go in farther, but that's still okay. And it just sits right there. And it's good. It's got a bit of a pre-charge on it. Oh, I'm pushing stuff. There we go. If you can see, no power at base. That's right, because it's not plugged into anything. Out of range. Okay. So we just put that back in. And that's everything that comes in the box with this Vtech dual handset phone system. The exact name being the Vtech 2 handset cordless phone system in metallic blue with caller ID and call waiting. Let me just clean up and maybe test it out. I've now installed the main base for the Vtech dual handset cordless phone system right here on my desk next to my modem. Since that's what it plugs into, I figured it'd be best to be close to it. The base itself, it's nice metallic blue. I really do like that. It's matching the handset. On the base, you see a Find Handset button for if you've misplaced your handset and need to locate it quickly. You just push that button. It'll make, I'm pretty sure, both of your handsets ring. Right above that, you have a little in-use indicator, so when someone's on it, it's being used. Or also, I believe, when it's ringing, that'll be solid or flashing when it's ringing. Then looking at the handset itself, at the very top here, you have the charge indicator, which goes off when you pull it off the base, letting you know when it's seated properly. The illuminated back screen, I think, stays on for about 3 or 4 seconds. Then you have the date and the time across the bottom here, as well as your battery level. The name of the handset, which can be changed. This is just default at handset 1. You get the redial pause, as well as your menu across the top here. On the left, you have the talk flash button, which will pick up or change lines if you have like call waiting. Then you have your caller ID list. On pushing the bottom of this silver button here will bring up a list of recent callers. Pushing up on this silver button will bring you to your actual directory. Then over here in the middle it says volume, so when you're in calls, you can also change the volume level. On the right you have the off cancel, which will get you out of menus or hang up your phone calls. Then right here you have all your numbers like every phone would have, as well as star and pound. And across the very bottom you have your speakerphone button, your mute delete for if you want to mute a call or delete some numbers from your calling list or your directory. Then you have your intercom button here, and your microphone at the very bottom. Looking at the back, it's just straight black with the battery cover and little speaker or whatever right there for probably when it's ringing. And that's about it for the Vtech dual handset cordless phone system. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of Vtech's dual handset cordless phone system with caller ID and call waiting. If you like this cordless phone system and would like to learn more about it or pick one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.